I'm in Paris and I came back to Sephora to show you all the different brands that they have in France that we don't get in the US. This is God, this is gonna be hard. This pie. This is our, oh my God, Falorga. Oh, this is gonna be hard, isn't it? Rituals. This is hair care and body care. Sicily. Okay, better work. Chanel. I know how to say those. Respire. This is for Aftersun. Don't know what this is. Amy. Birdie. Unlock your power. What is this? What was that? OPI. Le Mini Macaron. Roches. Oh, I bought this. I bought this. What is this? Literal Grill. Handy. You wanna... Handy. Oh, that was great. What is all this?